Welcome to Sweet Life Beat Life. We hope this video helps.
You start by preparing a clean environment so dependencies don't conflict. Create and activate a virtualenv, then pip install transformers, datasets, accelerate, and torch that matches your CUDA. Once done, authenticate with your Huggingface token via Huggingface CLI login or set HF API token as an envvar. Make sure GitLFS is installed if you'll clone big repos. These steps give you a reproducible base and immediate access to model weights and the hub, so you can fetch models without surprises. You next load the tokenizer and model with Auto Tokenizer. From pretrained and auto model for causal LM. From pretrained, pass trust remote code when custom code exists. For GPU, move the model to CUDA or use device map equals auto with accelerate to shard across devices. Once loaded, tokenize inputs with return tensors equals PT, adjust batch size and use model. Generate or model. Forward to infer. Make sure to use float16 or bfloat16 when supported to save memory. And monitor VRAM. You finish by testing end-to-end, saving the model and tokenizer with save pretrained, and optionally push the repo to the hub so others can use it. When packaging, include a model card and minimal README to explain inputs and expected outputs. If things fail, check versions first. Mismatched transformers and torch often cause errors. If you hit OOM, reduce batch size, enable mixed precision, or use device map to shard. Most issues resolve by matching versions and adjusting precision or memory strategy.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.